Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.
Welcome back, my dear learner. Now let's look at few set of questions which is covering those three areas that we have just covered. So there are three export reward schemes that we covered, which is merchandise export India scheme, service export from India scheme, and there's a set of people who can get a registration called as status holder or get an additional privilege of a status holder. So let's look at a set of questions which covers all this so that you'll be ready for the examination. It's very important that you understand than understanding the schemes for a practical sense. It's more important that you understand what kind of questions can be there in your examination. So we're going to move into those set of questions which will be probably there in your examination, and most of it gets repeated. So make sure that from here till I finish all the questions, you're going on one stretch and then understanding it. Now the first question. During financial year 17-18, S Private Limited has made export of safety valves coming under chapter heading 8481. And country of export is USA and UK. So they have exported to USA and UK safety valves. Realized FOB value of exports in free foreign exchange is 50 crores. FOB value of export as given in shipping bill in free foreign exchange is 55 crores. As per Appendix 3B of Foreign Trade Policy 1520, reward for export of safety valves to US and UK is 3%. So I got the reward percentage as well. Find the duty credit scrap or MEIS reward available to S Limited. So there's a company called S Private Limited which is actually exporting, and they have given two values. One is realized FOB, another one is what is the FOB mentioned in shipping bill. So if you refer back to our discussion on merchandise export from India schemes, I told you that this reward would be available for notified goods which is exported to notified countries. So we have given an example of safety valves which is a notified good, and their export to notified country which is US and UK are eligible for 3% reward. Now the reward has to be calculated on what value is the question here. So I have realized FOB, I have shipping bill FOB. Which one I should take? So the law says, if you refer back to FTP, it says that you will have to take whichever is less. So let's try to calculate the answer. So realized FOB value, which is 50 crores, and FOB value on shipping bill is rupees 55 crores. So the lower value is 50 crores. Hence, reward under MEIS is equal to 50 crores multiplied with 3%, which is 1.5 crores. So this would be the reward which will be available as a duty scrip. So which can be used for payment of any of those duties in customs. Okay, that is the method in which we will calculate. So we will have to take realized FOB value or FOB value as on shipping bill, whichever is lower for the calculation. So that is it. It's a very simple question. So this kind of tricky questions can be included in your examination. Thank you.
Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.